Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So we are going to be doing something a little bit different. It's a video that I have not posted in forever. So we are doing the monthly layout. So I am just going to show y'all each page and what to expect in different videos, like the weekly check-ins, the sinking funds, and the budgeting videos. So sit back and relax. Alright, so before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and hit that notification because I post a lot of videos regularly. I know I haven't posted in about a week and a half because of Hurricane Sally, and if you want to see that updated life on post and or pre and post hurricane, then that will be linked down below. But we are so close to 2,000 subscribers and I'm so excited and so grateful that people are coming to watch my videos, and it is helpful to you guys because I love reading your comments and answering questions and everything. So let's just get right into the video. So the sticker shop that I am going to be using, that I had used to plan out this October layout, was from Lupita. Hopefully I didn't butcher it. She will let me know in the comments if I didn't, but I absolutely love her. So she inboxed me on Instagram and asked me that if she could send me some layouts, some kits for the monthly kits and everything. And I was like, oh my gosh, yes, you don't have to do it. But she insisted, and you guys, this is great. I absolutely love it. October's layout is all about Halloween, like as you can see. Halloween vibes, you guys. You got the green, you got the orange, you got the purple, you got some ghosts that she included, which is great. I do want to give a shout out and let y'all know that there is a coupon code for my subscribers. The code is Thrifty Asian and you get 10% off your first purchase. So go and check her Etsy shop out because she is great. This is the first time that I have used her stickers, so I am going to be honest and I am going to let y'all know. But yes, go and check her Etsy shop out, her Facebook, I don't think she has Facebook actually, her Etsy, her Instagram, and her YouTube channel because she is great. She does a lot of challenges, she does stuffing videos, she does budgeting videos. She's great. Absolutely love her, and you would love her also. Alright, so the first page, actually let's flip to this page right here. So I don't usually use this page, I'm trying to. So in October we have 3 birthdays, and then our monthly goal is to save $600 for a vacation because we are actually we're going on a girls trip, me and my best friend, and possibly my mom or somebody else, I'm not sure. We are going to go to Orlando and going to go to Disney and SeaWorld and all that stuff, just very relaxing vacation, and that's gonna be super excited. As you know, my mom and I do egg rolls because she's full Filipino and she loves cooking. So we have been selling her egg rolls. It's like $10 for like a 12 piece, which is really not bad. I've seen a lot of other people who has been selling theirs for like 12 piece for $12, so $1 egg roll, but we decided to just do $10. So when you're watching this, which is going to be uploaded on Friday, I believe on Friday, then our sales will be going out. We are going to be delivering and everything. I wish I could deliver out of state or even a little bit further away, but we can't because of how it is made and everything. I am so sorry. But if anybody is ever in the Lower Alabama area, let me know. I will be glad to give y'all some taste of some Filipino lumpias or egg rolls. But anyway, so our goal sales is $300. We are at $200 and something right now, so we are close. And then last but not, or 2 more is to reach 2,000 subscribers. We're only 50 subscribers away, you guys, and I am so excited about that. And then last is to get under $500 for student loan number D, which is the first student loans. I think we're roughly around $700 right now. So I want to be under $500 this month, so I need to grind and grind and grind. All right, so let's move on to the next page, which is the monthly layout. So you have, this gives me like Hocus Pocus vibes. Absolutely love that movie. If anybody else loves that movie, let me know down below. She did include some more stickers, some like ghost stickers and everything. So all I did was lay out all of the numbers. So there's individual numbers, and then the last 4 was purple, which is pretty awesome to represent like the week of Halloween and everything. So on the side is our notes, and these are all of our bills that are paid. So if you are new, I'm just going to run through it real quick. So the house and the credit card is paid on the 1st, loan is the 3rd, light bill is the 5th, insurance, gym, phone, and car is all paid on the 25th or roughly around there, and then internet is around the 18th. So I'm going to say this, and hopefully it works out this month, but gym, hopefully I will be able to cancel my membership the month of October. I think it's like the end of September when I can possibly get out of my contract. So let's just hope and pray, you guys. All right, moving on, we have the cash envelopes, and this is going to be our weekly check-in because she didn't do any weekly check-in stickers, which I'm not mad about it. It is totally fine. I'm still using cash envelopes to pay for my food, my gas, my fun, and I have sinking funds, so it all works out, you guys. All right, so like I said, they have the category, remaining balance, starting balance, and total. So I already started writing it. So I did $100 as always for food, $60 for gas. Fun money, it just varies. It could be anywhere between $40 or $140. So it just, you know, it varies. And I forgot to put the cushioning. Oh my gosh, I just messed up. You know what? It's fine, you guys. We will get through it. All right, so that is everything that I did on the cash envelope. So moving on to the paycheck number 1, she did give me some income, expected, actual, and then the plus and minus. So my expected is $1,300 for my actual paycheck, and then side hustle, this is for the egg rolls. So I am roughly saying about $300 is my goal, but I will let you know if it's higher or lower, of course. And the only bad thing that I want to say about these stickers, which is not really a bad thing because, I mean, it doesn't bother me, but the black, just because it's so dark, whenever I was laying this down, and I do have, like, my palms get really sweaty, I know, but when I rub it, it's a little of the black comes out, the ink, but I mean, I don't really care. I mean, it's not gonna bother me. I mean, I'm not gonna have black hands like the whole time, so it's fine. But I just wanted to let y'all know, just in case y'all want to buy anything that has a darker color. All right, so expenses is everything that I told y'all right here is just transferred over here. So I'm just going to run over the bill's amount. So the house is regularly $423. I do split it between me and my fiance. We split it into 2 payments. So it's roughly about $923 or something like that. So I pay $423. Credit is $80. Loan is $100, which we're not doing interest right now because of everything that's going on. So that is my goal, is to do $100 or more. Insurance is $120. Internet is $35. Gym is $35. Phone is $100. Car is $498. And then light bill is $200, which actually $200 is between me and Jared. So it's only $100. I messed up on that. Good thing I'm doing this video because then I can catch myself messing up. All right, so the next one is the same thing. We have paycheck number 2. Now I do have to figure out, because we do have 3 payments in October, so I'm gonna have to figure out where I can put paycheck number 3. I might have to, because I used all of my papers, so I might have to do it right here, which is going to be fine also. But same thing, I just got to write down the due date and the expected bill. But we have the paycheck and side hustle. Side hustle for paycheck number 2, I only said $100 because I wasn't sure if I was going to get any side hustle for that. Next is going to be sinking funds. Now, I did not get a sticker that says sinking funds, which is totally fine. I'm not worried about that either. But she gave me category, starting balance, plus or minus, and the total. So if you have watched my sinking funds videos and my budgeting videos, you will know that I have it a special way that I do it, which I will show you. So this is from Tempest XO Designs. So let me show you how I did it. I have to like go back. All right, so you see on the sinking funds right here, it has paycheck number 1. T means the total, and then paycheck number 2, and then total. So that is kind of how I do my sinking funds. So for this one, I did 2 separate, which of course we have 3 payments. So we're going to have to figure that out again. But the categories are college, because I'm trying to go back for nursing, vacation, medical, Christmas, wedding 2021, special occasion, beauty, renewals, and home. And of course, I forgot to add car maintenance, so I'm going to have to fix that up. And then right here is the same thing. Like I said, I forgot the car maintenance, but you know, guys, it is fine. I gotta count this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, so all I have to do is just figure that stuff out. But yeah, so that is pretty much it. Absolutely love these stickers. Now, before I end this video, she did send out some more stickers, which has like the bill due, the cash envelopes, to do reminders, and the flags. And then we have the snowball method, the debt tracker, and then the avalanche. So if you are doing the avalanche and the snowball method, one of these will be great for you guys. And I do have to do the snowball, my updated snowball, so I will probably use this on a different page. But anyways, you guys, I hope y'all have a great day. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, just so y'all can have a refresher of how I do things and what is what. And I'm just super excited about this month in October, because a lot of stuff is happening. A lot of stuff. So we're celebrating a birthday party. We are going to a wedding. I'm going on vacation at the end of the month. It's Halloween, which I absolutely love Halloween. But exciting stuff is happening, and I hope y'all will join me, and be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know if you would like more of these monthly budget layouts. And yeah, so I love you guys, and I will see you guys on Tuesday with a 52-week challenge. Bye, you guys.